Hi, I'm Ray Meadows, the Prince of Finance, and I'm here with my friend Hiromi.
Hi.
She has questions.
Always I do. My question is, since you mentioned security, what is a security?
A security, okay, well, some people think of security guards and security gates, but I talk about stocks and bonds as securities. So it's a special terminology in finance. It really means it's a contract, either real, document, or it could be virtual contract.
But is this only for stocks and bonds?
There's other types of securities.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
a mutual fund is a type of security. An ETF, exchange traded fund, is also a type of security.
They also have a security.
Right. Okay. So those are contracts that provide some value to you as an investor if you own them. And the other feature about securities is you can sell it to another investor.
What, sell the security?
Yes, you can either sell it or redeem it. Like if you had a mutual fund, that's a security. You sell it back to the people who sold it to you. If you have a stock, you have to sell it to another investor, right? So a security is, again, a contract that provides some value that you can trade with other investors. Now, let me give you an example when I say provide some value. So a bond, for example, is where a company or a government borrows money from investors. So you give them money, they give you a security, a bond, which is a promise to pay back the money with interest. And then you can sit there and collect the interest, and then eventually they'll pay you back the principal, and then the bond is canceled. Or you can go and trade that bond, sell it to someone else. So that's an example of a security. And a stock is a different kind of security where you're buying a contract that says you own part of the company that issued the stock. So if you bought a share of Facebook, you own some small slice of Facebook. That's what that contract is. And you can trade that ownership with other people. They pay you money, you give them their part ownership, right? So.
Damn. Security.
That gives you security for when you're old, you won't starve to death.
Security, so serious stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
Makes sense?
Hi.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.